Okay, we're going to go ahead and continue with the this mid-body part. So what we're going to do here is we are going to create, let's actually do the bottom pieces, these pieces. Okay, and we'll create that. Let's do this and this. All right. So this is that. All right. So I'm just going to take it and turn it for now. And go to Mesh Tools, insert edge loop. Go to Back View. I hold Control there. Hold on. So let's say I get some faces I don't want. I could hit Control and deselect what I don't want. And right there, I just hit F. So what we can do is hit Control E, bring it out, then Mesh Tools, insert edge loop. Okay. Okay, we'll build this little cool looking piece here. We're actually going to build a pipe. And let's mess around with the thickness. All right. Guess we'll go around the end here. Okay, see we're going to put 90 here. And we're going to go to here and we're going to put in 90 as well. 90. So now they're even. Okay, cool. That looks good. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to face. We'll go 1, 2, let's rotate this so there's a face up top. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's choose that. Hit Control E. I'm going to bring it up. All right. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to Control, actually, let's keep it about here. And we're going to go to Face, hit Control E, hit Control E, I forgot what I'm looking at here. Hit 3. That looks pretty cool. I'm just going to scale these in just a bit. Actually, I'm not. I don't like that. Okay. Now we're going to go to Mesh Tools, insert edge loop. Like this. Like this. And let's just see what that looks like first. Looks good. Okay, this looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and put one here. Put one here. Put one there. Okay. Here. Here. And there. There. Here and here. Hit 3. Hit 1. I'm just going to do this. That looks cool. Actually, I like that a lot. It's a good good piece of geometry. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and bring this back. Here, I'm going to Control G it. Actually, let's go ahead and put another. I'm going to do this. I'm going to go Control D. I'm just going to hide that. Yeah, I can't, unfortunately. All right, so we're going to make this a little bit skinnier. And what I'm going to do is go to Face. I'll grab all these. I'm going to Control E. Bring it out. Let's try that again. Control E. Miss the face. I'm going to bring it out. Control E again. Bring it out again. And what I'll do is I'm going to kind of scale it in here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and kind of continue here. Let's go ahead and create another cylinder. That's our best bet. We're going to rotate around the Z-axis, 90 degrees. All right. I'm just going to fix this a little bit. I don't like it. Okay, I like that better. All right. And it looks good. A vertex. Let's go ahead and bring this bad boy out. All right. We'll go to Face. It's kind of long, so we'll bring it out a little bit more. You can always go in later and, modify it as needed. And then Control E, go ahead and scale. And go ahead and extrude. All right. Now let's do what we always do. Put our edge loops in, maintain our edges. And let's go ahead and hit 3, see what this looks like. Looks cool. All right. All right, we have to modify that. Right there. I like it. We're going to go to, just for now, Mesh Combine, Modify Center Pivot. And let's go to Back View, I think it is. All right. I'm going to go ahead and scale this all down a little bit. This should definitely be thinner. All right. Oops. And that looks pretty good. All right. Discord notifications here. Okay, here. Okay, so this thing's pretty long, but it's not this long. So let's go ahead and all right. Okay, so like this. All right, it has to be this angle. So what that means is we have to modify the shape a little. All right. Okay, looks pretty good. I want to try to make them parallel if I can, though. Right about there. So we're going to go ahead and modify this a little bit. Sometimes you have to come in here and just modify the shape a little. It happens. All right. And what we could do is just make this a little bit bigger. And we go to vertex. Go ahead and go to vertex here in the back. Just kind of go row by row and just make it a little bit bigger. All right. The problem is this piece kind of looks strange now. All right. Yeah, see this piece now, it doesn't look good. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to kind of look at this and remake it. You could just, go ahead and do that on your own. All right. So the last thing we'll do is let's go ahead and just modify just there. That's fine. We're going to need to do this thing. So I'm going to pause the video and go ahead and make this. This is basically, that could be a little tricky. This could be a cylinder or a sphere actually. This is a sphere. It's this. Okay, it's basically this shape. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to vertex. Well, let's turn down the subdivisions so we can work with it better. Whoa, 103, 10. And what we could do is go to vertex and highlight some. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to go to edge. And we're going to Control Delete, just get rid of it. All right, so that's the basic shape. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to face. Control E. You can go ahead and just bring it out. Okay. And then just go to this. All right, so that's basically it. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video now. Next video, I'll go ahead and do this, and I'll do this part, and then we'll go from there.